Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back again with another tutorial. Today what we're going to make is, I've already gone ahead and made some because you need 6 altogether, but we've got 5 of these little crackers and we need 6 of them. So they're made from a 6x6 piece of designer paper, so you would need 2 sheets to make your 6 crackers. Should we get 4 from 1 sheet? I'm using the festive farmhouse. So 6x6. What we're going to do is we're going to score it on one side at 1 inch, 1 1/4 and 1 1/2. Turn it all the way around and on the opposite side do the same again. So 1 inch, 1 1/4 and 1 1/2, and that will make these side pieces here. Okay, turn it to the other side so you've got these lines running here, and then we are going to score at 1 7/8. Okay, 3 3/4 and 5 5/8. Alright, so we're just going to fold the long score lines, and then the skinny little score lines that we have, we are going to go do a mountain and then a valley and then a mountain, so it gives us that kind of accordion. So again, a mountain, a valley, if I can actually hit the score line, and then a mountain again. Okay, so we want to punch down here with our envelope punch board. So what we're going to do is just put it in and line it up at 1 1/4 inches, and then this little middle score line should be running down the middle of the board. Okay, so punch it, then turn the paper over. Again, 1 1/4. Turn the paper again, 1 1/4. And then the last one, 1 1/4. So you should have that. Then just turn it over and do the same. Just keep lining it up with 1 1/4. Okay, so that's what you should have. So as I said, I've already made 5, just 5 identical to that one. So it's going to fold up and get glued together like this. Okay, now we just need to get rid of a few little pieces here. So where we've got this piece here, if we just cut away a little bit more of this, because you'll see that the kind of just gets in the way a little bit. because you've got a score line there. We just remove that little bit to there, and then you can see there's a little score line there. If you just remove that little piece there, it's just to stop it getting in the way when you stick the cracker together. So you're just kind of widening those little pieces there. And then we're going to put glue on these 3 little pieces here. Okay, and we're just going to now pop it together. So just bring this up here and just be careful that it's all in line, that you don't bring it way high and then you'll have to trim it then, because it's like a 3-sided cracker. And glue that onto there. Oh, and hang on, I need to take it off. I forgot to do something. What I did with these was I just cut a little fancy edge. You could use pink and shears, even just a die, or what I've got is just this trimmer here, and I just have like fancy blades, so I just cut that bit off, or you can use a punch, anything you want, or you can just leave it plain. Okay, it's entirely up to you. Now we can stick it together. So I'll put a bit more glue on because that'll have already dried now. Okay, so just line it up and just stick them to there. It just gives it a fancy kind of finish, doesn't it, on the edges. Now we have the cracker here. Now what you can see is when we close it like this, it does kind of bend in, but we've got this little bit kind of sticking out there. So all I did was I just went in a kind of V shape and just got rid of it. Just makes it look a bit tidier, that's all, like that. Okay, so now we've got our sweet little crackers. So what we're going to do is, I think this is really cool, because what you can do is you could fill each cracker with like different gifts. I don't know, say if it was for, you know, for a woman, you could fill it with one with like a couple of lipsticks, nail varnishes, some eyeshadows, anything like that. And it just makes one giant cracker, but then you've got 6 little separate ones. So what we're going to do is, I've got some of this, what is it, gold metallic edge ribbon, and I'm going to cut quite a bit off just at first, and we're going to basically tie it together, tie them all together. Yeah, I think it's a great idea for little Christmas presents. And cut way too much ribbon. I'll sort the bow out in a minute. Just cut some more of this off for the bottom. I mean, you could fill it with sweets for for the kids, anything you want. But I do like the idea of like different little gifts inside. Cut that one too long, this one too short. I will get it. It's because I've got a plaster on my thumb and makes it a little bit harder to tie. Okay, we'll sort that one out in a minute as well. Okay, so you just get the idea of what I mean. It makes one huge cracker, but it's got 6 little individual ones. I'll just adjust this ribbon a bit. And you're going to have the tail short because I've cut the other ribbon a bit too short. Okay, so I want the ribbons in the same place. So I'm just going to pull them along a little bit till they're right. How cute is that? I love it. And then what I'm going to do is you could decorate each one individually or put something on each one if you want to. I've got one of my favourite sets, which is Christmas pines, and you get the matching dies. And I've also cut out a layering a stitched oval. So I cut out a few of the little pines from the dies and a very vanilla stitched oval. And I've got the sentiment, which is may your Christmas sparkle with joy and happiness. And I'm going to stamp that in cherry cobbler just to match the card. And we're going to put that on the oval. Okay, I think my pad's a little bit too juicy, but never mind. And then I'm going to pop this just in the middle with some dimensionals just in the middle so that it's only stuck to the one cracker. I'm just going to pop that there. And then some of these little pine branches, oopsie, I might just put a few on as if they're kind of coming down from the ribbon. So if we get some glue dots, and I'm going to stick these on so we'll have one just there, and then we'll have another one over there. And then we will pop on I've got these little heart gems. I think I got sent in a swap and they're just so pretty. So I'm going to pop just one here in the middle. There we go. I love this project. I think it's so cool, and you can get all your little gifts in there. As I said, you could do 6 different individual little gifts, or you could just fill it all with sweets and it stands up. Love it. So all the info will be on my blog. I'll be back again next week. I've got some really cool tutorials to share with you. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.